Sometimes in this life, ama most of times in this life, tunapataga we learn when it is too late. Na nimefanya utafiti nikaona I think that is the trend even if itaendelea kuwa. You will find mtu mwenye yako very smart in something, huyo mtu hayuko in a position to serve kwa hiyo position yenye already ako smart. Unapata, for example, I've been doing a research of this thing called relationship, kwa sababu wanasema love is life, love is relationship ya kila kitu, ya biashara, ya maisha. When I say relationship, simaanishi ati mahusiano tu ya kindoa, kifamilia na nini. I mean relationship yote, kwa sababu hata working relationship, watu wenye mnafanya kazi nao pamoja, you will find, for example, acha nitumie relationship ya mahusiano ya mapenzi. You will find the best people wenye wanaweza handle marriage, the best people who can form a marriage, ni watu wenye already washa divorce. Unapata mwanamke mwenye ata form ama atakuwa mwanamke bora sana kwenye ndoa ni mwenye already ama tayari ashatoka kwenye marriage yake, already ni single mother. Na I know so many people will agree with me. Utapata ladies kama sisi wanaume, when we are searching for, kama tuseme kama sisi young wenye tunatafuta kuanzisha marriage, utapata the best person, mtu mwenye akona zile character ama zile qualities unaona ni za wife, ni za woman, ni za mother, ni za a great woman, a prudent woman, mtu mwenye anaweza kuwa kwa marriage. Si huyu mwenye hajawahi kuwa kwa marriage, ni mwenye ameikuwa kwa marriage, already that single mother. Already mwenye amedivorce, mwenye amedivorce, already mwenye labda ashaikuwa na mume, labda akapass. Unaona? And then kuna ile like somebody like me, itakuwa ngumu sana kwa sababu of the mentality we have been set with. Like itakuwa ngumu sana for me to go and have a relationship ama a marriage with a single mother, kwa sababu already akona watoi. Tuko na ile ngumu sana, si watu wengi sana, wanaume wengi sana wanaweza oa wanawake wenye wako na watoto, and especially wenye unaanza marriage, unless wenye washaikuwa hapo, wenye aliacha marriage yake na nini. Lakini mwenye anaanza kama sisi, we young men, ni ngumu sana. But you will find sisi tunataka the best. Now that best woman ni huyo single mother. Ni huyo single mother, huyo ndio ako best, huyo ndio ako na zile quality for sure unataka. Hizi zingine tunabebwa nazo tu, ni hisia, ni muonekano tu, lakini ule mwenye unataka akuwe the best mother, mwenye unataka akuwe the best wife, mwenye atajua kuhandle this man, mwenye atajua kuhandle this father, mwenye atajua kuhandle this son of somebody, ni huyo single mother. Ni hawa wenye wameachwa, wameachana, wenye already tayari washakuwa hapa mwaka moja, miaka mbili, tuseme kutoka miaka 3, kwa sababu experience alilearn. Nayo unapata huyu mwenye single mother mwenye ametoka kwa hiyo marriage, trying to get back into marriage bana, kizungumkuti. Anahisi sasa, now I know there's something I didn't know before. Now that I know, if I get a chance back to the marriage, if I start again kwa hii marriage, I'll form the best couple, I'll form the best family. But guess what? Hawapati na hiyo nafasi tena. They are struggling. Hadi unapata sasa, sorry to say this, but unapata wengi, and especially when they try to get back through church, nayo church siku hizi, most of them unapata wanapitisha njia mbaya. Sasa utakaa pale ukigoja siku yako ikuje, Mungu afanye mambo yake, lakini naye Mungu kuna vitu mimi naonaga aliacha. Hiyo mambo ni yetu sisi wenyewe. We know what to do, how to go about it. There is nothing like God will come through. hakuna. Hiyo ni wewe, ile knowledge alikupea, ile akili alikupea, utumie wewe mwenyewe, ujue venye utapanga mambo ya